Good day everyone. I am Jiptibil from Philippines. I will presenting to you about MMM ideology and roles. And nowadays, if we can see this picture, we are facing the sad reality that is happening around. The poverty, starving, alone in the streets, while having others people living a luxurious life and spending money without thinking others suffering. Money is power. If you have money, then you are popular. The whole society will adore you. But how about the poor people who has nothing but only their mind and strength? Well, they are the one who is affected of this unequal structure, community, and suffering slavery. Bankers and big companies are getting richer through big sales commissions they get from their poor employees and pays them in return with a salary that cannot sustain their daily living until a system is born to fight this global financial crisis. Yes, the solution is MMM, people helping people. One man has created the system MMM, Mr. Sergey Mabrodi, the genius who created the MMM system. He is the mathematician, the programmer, playwright, poet, state of Duma in Russia, and one in the founder distributor of computer in Russia. MMM is focuses on how to change ordinary people's lives, like fights poverty, fights debt, give opportunities to all people around the world, and to build a fair financial aid community. What is MMM? MMM is a community of millions of different people worldwide who are willing to provide help to those who needs it and ask help when the time comes they need help also. MMM is not a bank, it's not collect money from its participant, it's not an online business, it's not an HYIP, it's not an investment, it's not a multi-level marketing company. MMM is 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity since 2011, $14 billion assistance provided, the fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. It is peer-to-peer exchange of donations, a mutual aid community, and changing the world together, and trust between members, and also free education. And how does it works? Participants uses their spare money to provide help to teach others. There is no central account in MMM. In MMM, there are no contracts and pledges. There are no lenders and defaults. The mechanics is simple. You ask help when you need it, and you give help when you want to do it. All that MMM asks to each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. MMM uses a digital currency called Bitcoins and Mabro in our personal offices. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency. No one's control it. One advantage of using Bitcoin is its low fees during fund transfer and has the most fastest transaction in sending money worldwide. There is an example. You provide help. Example, 200 pesos. See at the circle. Your donation, 200 pesos. Moment you declare your donations, your Mabo grows instantly after 1 year. You can ask for help the amount of 4,659. MMM rules. Participant must use only their spare money when providing help in MMM. There are no guarantees, and avoid making multiple accounts. Dummy accounts are prohibited. Be responsible and honest when providing help to your peer. If possible, avoid using one or shared computer with other participants using in one IP address. And we avoid, if you fail to comply with this, your account will be blocked by the system and you cannot be a part of the community forever. The advantage and benefits of MMM participants: 20% to 100% Marlboro growth in MMM Extra. Participants do daily online and offline tasks to achieve 100% growth in 1 month. 30% Marlboro growth per month. This is the most simplest way to grow your Marlboro. You donate and wait until it grows. And plus 10% referral bonuses for every person you invited to join MMM. And if your referral donate money to the community, you get 10% from his donations. This is the other bonuses, and if you see the list, the $20, $50, $100 registration bonus on your first page for every new person who joins MMM. He get a welcome bonuses depending on the amount he donated. Plus 3% to 5% bonus for video of happiness after get help. GH or get help. After getting help, participants can get additional bonuses for sharing their testimony and post in their YouTube channel. Plus a lot more bonuses for managers, guiders, and leaders. Additional bonuses are given to guiders who have built their structure. Lottery every Wednesday. All participants who provide help and confirm it can join the lottery for free weekly. So, what are you waiting for? Join now and experience how to become financially free. Join the MMM Philippines or MMM Global. Together we change the world. Thank you for watching.